Lauren, you order coffee, and for 3 whole seconds, you're translating the sentence in your head before you say one word.
That's literally me. Every single day.
Okay, today we fix that. This is how to stop translating in your head for good.
And you're walking away with one simple rule. English podcast with Edward and Loren. Let's go.
The topic is thinking in English, not translating it. For beginners, this is huge.
Stick around. At the end, we give you the one rule that fixes this in 3 seconds. Every time.
Okay, category 1, ordering coffee. Lauren, you walk in, what do you say?
Can I get a medium coffee, please? Simple.
See? No translating there. Just English speaking confidence. Straight out.
Your turn. Meeting someone new at a party.
Hey, I'm Edward. Nice to meet you. Boom. Done.
Wait, actually, most people freeze right there, not after.
True. That's the exact freeze point.
Category 3. Someone asks you a question at work.
Can you send that today? And your brain goes blank.
Mine says, yes, I'll send it now. No translating, just English conversation, real time.
See the difference? Coffee, party, work. 3 different rooms, same phrase.
Okay, here's the secret. Native speakers don't think in full sentences either.
Wait, really?
Really. They think in chunks, small pieces. That's how they speak English fluently.
So the fix isn't think faster. It's think smaller.
Exactly. 3 seconds. One chunk. Say it.
Real talk, I used to rehearse sentences in my head before every phone call. Every single one.
That's so many of us.
Here's the rule. 3 seconds. No full sentence. Just the first 3 words.
Can I get? I'm looking for. Can you send? That's it. Start there.
The rest follows on its own.
This is how you build real English speaking confidence. 3 words at a time.
My one line. Don't translate the sentence. Just say the first 3 words.
Mine. 3 seconds. 3 words. Then go.
So next time someone asks you something and your mind goes blank, you've got this.
Want to stop translating in your head and start speaking effortlessly? Hit that subscribe button right now for real fluency secrets.
And comment your 3 words, the ones you'll use today. We're reading every one.